This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Rare opportunity to own approximately 133.15 acres of vacant, unrestricted land in Polk County, just off Big Level Road. This expansive property offers a blend of rolling hills, ridgelines, and peaceful rural surroundings, making it ideal for a private estate, multiple home sites, farming, recreation, or long-term investment. The area is dotted with a mix of charming homes and wide open spaces, offering the perfect blend of privacy and community. With no zoning restrictions, you'll have the freedom to build your dream home, set up a family compound, or explore agricultural or development potential. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of peaceful Polk County countryside. Whether you're dreaming of wide open skies, room to roam, or a legacy property, this one is worth a look. For more information,